Here's the incredible story of a 6-month transformation that turned an ordinary life into an extraordinary one. If you're ready to change your life too, watch closely. Let's begin. It all started with a shift in mindset. 6 months of cutting off toxic people, staying off social media, and focusing on self-improvement made all the difference. The commitment was simple but powerful. It's not too late to change, but it won't be easy. Success takes effort, and those who embrace the challenge achieve it. The transformation wouldn't have been complete without clear, glowing skin. Here's the routine that made it happen. Morning, cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. Night, cleanser, moisturizer, and retinol to tackle acne, wrinkles, and dark spots. Consistency was key, proving that less is more when done right. Hygiene played a critical role in boosting confidence. Regular showers. Deodorant for both underarms and intimate areas. A signature cologne, not just for others, but to feel great every day. Even the smallest efforts made a huge impact. The physical glow-up wouldn't have happened without prioritizing mental health. These habits were life-changing. Meditation, a daily practice to calm the mind and improve focus. Gratitude. Journaling, writing down one thing to be thankful for each day, brought clarity and positivity. Sleep, 7 to 8 hours every night ensured energy, mood, and even skin improved drastically. Reading, replacing phone scrolling with books like The Almanac of Naval Ravikant not only reduced stress, but also reshaped perspectives. Step 5, workout building muscle was a core part of the transformation. Starting out was tough, but consistency paid off. Hiring a personal trainer or following a beginner-friendly program ensured steady progress. Showing up and doing the work, no matter how small, made all the difference. A sharp haircut suited to the face shape and a simple hair care routine elevated the look even further. Here's the breakdown. Haircuts every 1-2 weeks. Washing hair once a week, conditioning daily. Using hair products to maintain health and style. These steps kept hair fresh and polished. Upgrading the wardrobe brought confidence to a whole new level. Neutral colors like black, navy, and white were game changers. Clothes that fit well and suited personal style proved that dressing intentionally can completely transform how you're perceived. For those who could grow a beard, keeping it trimmed and clean added masculinity and attractiveness. For those who couldn't, daily shaving with clippers helped maintain a polished appearance without irritating the skin. Oral hygiene was non-negotiable. Brushing and flossing twice a day kept teeth white and healthy. Using a tongue scraper eliminated bad breath. For smooth lips, a simple mix of honey and sugar scrubbed away dryness, followed by a moisturizer to keep them soft. This glow-up story proves that transformation is possible when you focus on both the physical and mental aspects of self-care. Start today, stay consistent, and you'll see results that even you won't believe. If this inspired you, subscribe to join a community that's all about becoming your best self. Remember, the change starts with you. See you in the next video.